Nice. Flavia. Hello. Hello. Can you tell me where I can find out some information about one of your pupils?
Okay, thank you. Administration block EU around the name is Remy.
Okay.
So you ask him.
That's okay. Do I need to sign? Do I need to sign? Oh, okay, great. Thank you. Hello. Could you tell me where I could find... Help me find some information about one of your students.
Which one?
I don't know that much. Her name's Flavia.
Oh, Flavia. Even me, I don't know much about her. But we can go to the headmaster's office and we check. Okay,
Can you show me the way?
This side.
Yes?
Have a seat.
Thank you. Headmaster?
Yes.
Have a seat.
Oh, you're most welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is going to sound crazy, but I'm trying to find out if a girl called Flavia is coming to school.
Flavia? Madam Patricia,
Yes, sir.
she's alone. Yes.
Amazina kusatunga tasoma.
3 days.
Yes.
This is unusual, but I saw the girl selling bananas in a market.
Selling a banana in the market?
Bananas in a market, and she looked so poor. That's what I saw.
She was putting on a uniform?
That I asked her to take me to her family, and she has a very strange aunt who has a daughter, and they seem very well dressed and very good, but this girl seems to have real problems.
For sure, we are very sorry for that. As you know, we have so many students, so many, and we are very busy. There's no way how we can look each and everything concerning about the daughter, concerning every student.
I
As you know.
understand. Not been at school for 3 days.
For 3 days. But do you know where she stay?
Oh, I do. Oh, I do.
You know it?
Yes, I do. And I'm going to go there.
You gonna go there?
Thank you so
You
much for
must
your
welcome.
help. And I will come back and let you know what happens, okay?
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.